an employee makes a decision to come on board with us, they're making a huge lifelong commitment. It's our responsibility to make sure that we are communicating with them effectively through their career to meet their expectations and to guide them on our expectations.
We're seeking out hardworking, talented, scrappy people that are willing to push the norm, push the status quo, because we've pushed the norm as a dealership group for the last 30 years and did a lot of stuff that people didn't think that we could do, and grown larger than we had ever imagined we'd be able to grow. And all of that is because of the team and because everybody continues to push each other to get better.
One of the things that I feel really good about with our company is we don't have a lot of people who are just fulfilling their job responsibilities that they get on their job description. It's about a whole lot more. People feel like they're a part of something bigger. They feel like they're a part of a team.
You have huge opportunities if you're willing to take that next step. You can get to the top. It depends how much time, work, effort you want to put into it. There's opportunities to transfer. We have stores close enough to each other that you're really not that far from home going to another location.
Some of my personal goals within the company is to continue growing in my role, continue growing my store, and I feel like they give us every tool in the toolbox to help us do that. Getting on your work-life balance, I know they're very supportive of individuals being a part of their community, whether it's part-time military service, being a part of the local fire department, being involved in your church, or a first responder. If you need to leave work to do that, they're very accommodating of it, and they want to see you grow and be a part of your community.
The one thing that's stressed all the time is family comes first. We're a family here at C&B, but I also had our first child back last January, and my boss at the time basically kicked me out the door, said go be with your family, and there's nothing better than having an experience like that.
They've always taken care of not only the customers, but their employees. They treat you like family. There's things that they've done for me personally and my family that you can tell that shows the values that C&B has for everybody.
They care about the people. They know that having that customer service and having that value put back into the community is what's helping their business grow also. And they're helping the customers helping them. They're getting their name out there and they're helping the community grow so that they can also grow.
It doesn't matter if you come to a store in Minnesota or a store in Idaho. We have very good people that are concerned about our customers, and we do everything we can to do the best for them.
I mean, you got to reach out and be part of that community in any way you can. The fact that we've differentiated ourselves just because of some of our specialties in potatoes and sugar beet areas and corn areas, we just try to be there when they need us, and we try to be involved in what they got going on. So I think C&B's in tune with what is happening with our customers in any community that we're in.
C&B is a great partner to the organization. It stands for exactly what John Deere stands for, quality and performance. We want the top performance, the best for our fields, the best for our communities, and C&B stands right behind that.
We have the tools and the capabilities to really make sure that we are kind of on the cutting edge of everything technology. And with that, we want to make sure that we are giving our customers the best technology so they can expand and they can grow along with us.
It's become a high-tech, high-pay career to be a John Deere technician. And C&B recognizes that. It's no longer the grease rag in the back pocket. That little premise needs to kind of go away because the most important tool today is the technology, a computer, an iPad, cell phones. They're used every day in this field.
So the way we work with some of the other colleges and tech schools out there today, a lot of people don't realize the investment that our technicians have in their tools and what it takes to be a relevant technician today. There's a pretty heavy investment in tools. So the reimbursement program allows us to help subsidize their tool investment and then bring them into our organization, and helps us hold that relationship with that employee for a longer period of time rather than them making a big investment in tools and just going to work for a place for 1 year and bouncing around. We're looking for long-term employee relationships, so that's what that program helps.
After my 2-year program in power sports here at Mitchell Tech, I did 180 hours for my internship, but I also worked a full 1.5 years part-time there. And they offered me tuition reimbursement after school, which was really nice. And I was looking for a company that would be able to put my skills to work. It was just a really good turnout for me.
We recommend C&B to our graduates because they're a great business to work for. They support their technicians. They're always there to help them with training. They don't want a technician that does just one job. They want someone that if today there's combine, maybe work on combines, but there's no combines to work on, he can jump over and work on swathers. He can work on regular tractors. They want someone that's a well-rounded mechanic so they can always support the needs of the shop and be able to turn the product out quicker to the farmer that needs it in the field.
CNB employs a lot of our students and takes them as interns. They've been very helpful in the acquisition of products for us in our classroom. And if it wasn't for industry partners such as CNB, we would not be as successful as we have been.
It's a great career to get into. I'm not going to say it's an easy career to get into, but it's a great career to get into, and you can make a real good living at it.
If you put the effort forth, people see it. It's not just reports and numbers. It's a rewarding company to work for. Just a good, solid attitude and a good work ethic. You're going to do a great job at CNB.
It's all about the and the CNB. It's not about the CRONINs, it's not about the BURWELLs, it's about the team, and we want to be able to challenge and grow people inside of CNB, the people who've been with us. We would rather not have to hire outside the company. We'd rather be able to promote from within.
The best part about CNB is we don't limit what the opportunity might be. The past 5 years, I don't think we had a script that said this is where we'd be and the growth that we've encountered. Our biggest advantage as a company is we work very, very hard to put ourselves in position to take advantage of what the future throws at us.